Hi everyone, come along as we show you how to quickly magnetize your battle-ready bases. We chose different bases size as examples to place the magnets. Add cyanoacrylate to a surface and with the tweezer's help, pick up the magnet, dipping it in superglue. Then just place it on the bottom slot. The slots are compatible with magnets sizing up to 6 mm in diameter and 1 mm thick. If you find it easier, you can place superglue directly on the slots and then add the magnets. For bigger bases, you can add magnets in all of the slots, or just the amount you feel necessary. Take this one for example. It has 6 slots for magnets, but depending on your miniature's weight and size, you can choose to add just half. If your miniatures are already glued to the bases, you can still add the magnets with ease. Just be a bit more careful. And now you have everything ready to safely transport your miniatures.